Can you solve it correctly? Maybe you will solve like this way. 1/2 divided by 1/2 equals 1. Then 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this is wrong. Okay, now let's do it the correct way. You can do the operation one by one from left to the right. 1/2 divided by 1/2 equals 1. Then 1 divided by 1/2 equals 2. Then 2 divided by 1/2 equals to 4. Actually, you can do it directly. 1/2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 2 equals to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4.